Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2026. AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile have confirmed they are joining forces to connect smartphones directly to satellites in space, and one company sits right at the center of that deal and the stock price surged. We break down ASTS right after the global recap. Tuesday's closing data. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei surged 2.87% to 65,158. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was nearly flat at 25,599. Shanghai dipped 0.17%. In Europe, Germany's DAX fell 0.8%. France's CAC 40 fell 1.03%. London's FTSE edged up 0.22% to 10,466. In the U.S., the S&P 500 hit a new all-time high, gaining 0.61% to close at 7,519. The Nasdaq also hit a fresh record, jumping 1.19% to 26,656. The Dow dipped 0.23% to 50,461. The star of the session was Micron Technology, which surged 19% and crossed a $1 trillion market cap for the first time. Three things driving markets today. First, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile have confirmed a joint venture to build satellite-based direct-to-device wireless connectivity, eliminating cellular dead zones. This is the exact service ASTS is built to deliver, and it sent the stock up 13% last Thursday. Second, SpaceX filed its IPO last week, targeting June 12th on Nasdaq under the ticker SPCX, aiming to raise up to $75 billion at a valuation of $1.75 trillion, the largest IPO in history if confirmed. Third, Salesforce and Marvell Technology both report earnings after the close tonight. Salesforce is a key read on enterprise AI software spending. Marvell is a key read on AI chip demand beyond NVIDIA. Both will move the tech sector tomorrow. ASTS, AST Space Mobile. This company is building a network of satellites in low Earth orbit that connect directly to ordinary smartphones, no special hardware required. Just the phone already in your pocket. AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile have now confirmed they are joining forces to make this type of technology the standard for eliminating dead zones, and ASTS sits at the center of that vision. The last close was at $119.70, a gain of 13.07% in a single session. In overnight pre-market trading this morning, the stock has pushed further to $126.35. The 52-week high is $129.90. That is the immediate resistance level above. Looking at the 2-year chart, the full story is visible. The stock has risen from a 52-week low of around $22.47 to nearly $120, a gain of more than 430% in 12 months. The EMA 20 at $87.49 is the key dynamic support. The EMA 40 is at $85.32. The MA 200 is at $76. All three are well below price and rising, confirming the long-term bull trend. Now here is what every trader needs to understand before making any decision on this stock. The RSI is at 73.75, that is in overbought territory above 70. The Williams percent R is at minus 11.90, near zero, confirming the same warning. Both indicators are telling you this stock has risen very fast and is now stretched. However, the MACD tells a different story. The histogram is at 1.15 and it is growing. The underlying momentum is real. The catalysts are confirmed. The company has $3.5 billion in cash, over $1.2 billion in contracted revenue, and 3 new satellites already in Florida ahead of a mid-June SpaceX Falcon 9 launch. The story is genuine. The lesson: a great company can still be a poor entry point at a specific moment. If you are already holding ASTS, the trend remains in your favor. If you are considering entering now, the RSI at 73 and the Williams percent R near zero suggest the smarter approach is to wait for a pullback. The EMA 20 at $87.49 is the key support level to watch for a lower risk entry point. Three things to watch today. 1. ASTS at $120. RSI 73 says stretched. Confirmed catalysts are real. Patient traders watch for pullback to the EMA 20 at $87. Next catalyst, mid-June satellite launch. 2. Salesforce and Marvel report tonight. Both are Enterprise A. I-reads that could set the tone for tech tomorrow. 3. S&P and Nasdaq both hit new all-time highs Tuesday. Micron crossed $1 trillion. The AI trade is very much alive, but oil at $94 and Iran deal progress are the macro variables that could either accelerate or stall this rally. Stay disciplined, follow the levels. That is your Global Market Pulse Daily for Wednesday, May 27th. Subscribe for tomorrow's update, posted every morning at 7 a.m. Eastern. Happy trading.